Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your Envato account. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your Envato account, start by navigating to the Envato website. Log into your Envato account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option. Click on Account Settings in the drop-down menu. In the Account Settings, find the Verification section. You may see a prompt indicating that you need to verify your account. If you have not completed your email verification, check your registered email inbox. Look for an email from Envato with a verification link. Open the email and click on the provided link to verify your email address. If you don't see the email, check your spam or junk folder. Once your email is verified, return to the Envato account settings. Next, you'll want to verify your identity. Select the option for identity verification. You may be required to upload a valid form of identification. Ensure that your ID is clear and all details are visible. Submit the identification for review. After submission, wait for Envato to process your request. You will receive a notification once your account has been successfully verified. Check your account settings again to confirm your verification status. Congratulations, your Envato account is now verified. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.